Hello guys, welcome to my channel Computacrum Cosmos. Today the title of my video is SIA Triad and Information Security. Guys, in this video I will cover the following topics. First one is what is SIA Triad, second confidentiality, third integrity, fourth availability, fifth information security, sixth why information security is important, seventh uses of information security, and eighth issues in information securities. So guys, before moving further, I request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you are a daily watcher, please like and share as much as you can. It may help many students who are new to these concepts. So before I move further, I'll give you a brief idea about SIA Triad, right? So let's understand the term what is SIA Triad. SIA Triad, here you are seeing a figure. It is abbreviation of three terms. First is C, that is confidentiality. Second is the term I, integrity, and the third is A, that is availability. Okay, actually it is a model by which you can think of about your security concepts. So three things need to be understood in this term, that is SIA Triads. Let's move to and discuss each one by one, each word one by one. First one is the confidentiality. What actually confidentiality means? It means that our ability to protect our data from unauthorized person. For example, if you are withdrawing some money from ATM, then it is the responsibility that we need to make our ATM pin as a confidential thing. Okay, it shouldn't be shared with anyone else. It is only shared by the bank to the concerned person or a customer, right? Additionally, when you are using the ATM in the ATM machine, then it is the it is the responsibility of the owner of the ATM that whatever the data that is related to the customer, that is the account number, its balance, or any other transaction that the customer has done, needs to be kept confidential. So this confidentiality here means you are protecting the data from the unauthorized person who are not authorized to use such information. One of the funny example you can use also, see that confidentiality can be lost if, for example, you are writing some password in your laptop, right? If somebody is standing back at the back of yours, then it may see that particular password. So that can be one of the example. If in this way you can lose the confidentiality. Now the term comes is integrity. What is integrity? Integrity means to prevent people from changing our data in an unauthorized way. For example, if an attacker were to alter the data that contained the results of medical tests, a doctor might prescribe the wrong treatment which can harm the patient. So it need to be make sure that the data that is that shouldn't be changed by an unauthorized person, so that it may not harm to the another person. Okay, next comes the term availability. Availability, it means access to data anywhere and anytime, whenever it is needed. Actually, we can lose availability due to power loss, or operating system or application problem, or maybe due to the network attacks. Best example here I can use is the DOS attack, that is the denial of service attack. In this, when an attacker continuously requesting to the server for the data the server gets fed up and deny to the client when in actual he needs the data. So that particular data will not be available to the client due to the attacker, right? Now coming to the term information security. What actually an information security is? It is a practice through which information risks are mitigated to protect the information. Basically, information is either the processed information, stored information, and transmitted information. Other types of information can be personal information, financial information, and sensitive information. Now, the question comes, why information security is important? Let's go to that particular slide. So, here you are seeing some terms in the bold words. First one is protecting sensitive information. Second one is to mitigate risk. Third one is the compliance with regulations. It actually means here is the information helps to ensure such compliances that many industries and jurisdictions have. So, next point is protecting reputation. Fifth is ensuring business continuity. Here a business continuity means like there are certain business functions, critical business functions, even if there is any security incidents that occur, then also information security helps to ensure that these some of the business critical functions stay continued even if any such harmful incident occur, right? Coming to next is uses of information security. So we can say uses of information security is the summarization why information security is important. So I'll tell you some of the uses. Some of the terms for these. First is confidentiality. Second is integrity. Third is availability. Fourth is compliance. Fifth is risk management. Sixth is disaster recovery. Next is authentication. Next term is encryption. Next term is network security, and the last term is the physical security. So these are the uses of the security, information security. Now, as there are pros, there are some challenges and issues in information security. These are first one is the cyber threats. Cyber threats means as nowadays there is increase in many cyber attacks like your malware, your phishing, and ransomware. So it is difficult to protect such information systems, right? Second is the human error. Human error means sometimes losing laptops or your smartphones, or clicking on any malicious link, or using the weak password that can put the information on risk, right? The third is your insider threats. Here I can take the example, in an organization, employees with access to sensitive information can pose a risk if they intentionally or maybe unintentionally cause harm to the organization. Okay, now the fourth point is legacy systems. Legacy systems, it means like older information systems may not have security features of a new system and making them more vulnerable to attack. Next is complexity. The increasing complexity of information systems and the information they store makes it difficult to secure them effectively. So, next term, that is the mobile and IoT devices. Now, as the number of mobile devices and IoT devices are increasing day by day, so the security challenges also increases with it, right? Next point is integration with third-party systems. It means if any third party is involved, then new security risk may be introduced. Third-party systems may have security vulnerabilities, right? The last term is the globalization. The increasing globalization of business makes it more difficult to secure information as data may be stored, processed, stored and processed and transmitted across multiple countries with different security and requirements. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much. If you want any topic of computers, please mention in the comments. I will try to cover in my future videos. Thank you guys.